This video is for all you new guys. You guys who have recently started your business and who have whether you've been window cleaning for a long time or not, it's always a challenge in starting a new business. I know a lot of guys out there have been working for people for years and now they're venturing out into their own. Or they're just like I was and started with no background knowledge, got a bucket and went out and got to work. Either way, it's a hard venture. It's never easy. For myself, I had a business prior to my window cleaning business that I was having a hard time with, and it really had a hard time getting off the ground and getting traction. It was kind of bleeding me dry, I guess you'd say. So I started hustling. I started working on the side, got a bucket, and just started doing what I can do to make things work. It wasn't easy, but over time I started developing a good clientele, started getting more knowledge and better skills. Before I knew it, the window cleaning started producing more than the other business did, and I dissolved that business and just went with window cleaning. It's always a hustle, so you never know what life's going to bring. You never know what's going to fail and what's not, but you just kind of go out there and you do your best. Just stay on point, keep on doing what you're doing, hustle, get your name out there, and that's the only way to succeed. I just want to say to all the guys who have ordered from our pre-order campaign, thank you very much. All you early adopters are kind of what we need to get this product out and into people's minds and hopefully onto their tools. So keep hustling. Talk to you soon.